Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty positions. We will also look at few stocks based on price action for swing trading. If you like the analysis, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. We also run a Telegram channel where we give live market updates during the market hours. We also discuss about your doubts in the Telegram channel. If you want to join the channel, the link is in the description. Now let us look at Nifty. In Nifty, we can clearly see that Nifty is facing a resistance at this level. During the end of the day, we can clearly see that Nifty gave a closing above the resistance level. Now when we look at Nifty in a wider time frame, we can clearly see that Nifty has a major resistance zone at 14,871 level. If Nifty takes support above the yesterday's closing, then we can expect a bull run for a short while. Now let us look at the position in Bank Nifty. We can clearly see that Bank Nifty was taking support over this trend line for a very long time. Once it broke this trend line, it broke the support level which was on this trend line. Now when we look at Bank Nifty in a 5-minute time frame, we can clearly see that Bank Nifty was facing resistance from the trend line, and on a closing basis, it broke the trend line and took a very good support above the trend line. We can expect a up move in Bank Nifty if Bank Nifty breaks this resistance level which was its previous support. Now let us try to understand how SGX Nifty is indicating the opening of market for tomorrow. Since the Indian markets are closed today because of holiday, but the Singapore Nifty index is trading at 233-point high from previous day close. Looking at the SGX Nifty, we can expect a good gap up opening tomorrow morning. Now let us look at the stock that I have selected for positional swing trade. The reason why I have selected this stock is because of its strong support trend line. Now when we look at the stock in a daily time frame, we can clearly see that day before yesterday Nifty fell almost 500 points. But you can clearly see that the stock was only down by only 2.5% and was taking a very good support above this trend line. This indicates that the stock is having a very good support on this trend line. Now my entry in this stock will be somewhere around this level, from which my target will be the above trend line, which is almost 20%, and my stop loss will be below this VIX, which is a very good risk reward ratio of 3.65. The next stock that I have selected is Motherson Sumi. You can clearly see that Motherson Sumi was facing resistance above this trend line. Once it broke this trend line, now that trend line is acting as a very good support. Here we can draw a trend line in this way. You can clearly see that the stock was facing resistance from this level. Once it broke the level, it again went down below this trend line. Once it broke this level here, it took a support on the trend line and then started to go up. According to the stochastic RSI, we can see that the stock is currently in an overbought zone. My entry in this stock will be when the RSI will come below this 20 level. So my entry will be somewhere around here, and my target will be the top of the triangle, which is around 14%. The next stock that I have selected is Infosys. In Infosys, you can clearly see that Infosys is facing rejection from the above trend line and taking a very good support from this trend line. It is currently at this below trend line, so we can expect a bit of up move in Infosys by taking a positional trade, which is almost up to 4.5%. The main reason behind taking this trade is that the IT sector is currently giving a very good results, and Infosys is also expected to give very good results. The next stock that I have selected is another IT giant, TCS. Even after giving a very good results, the profit booking was seen in TCS, which resulted to almost a 4.5% fall. We can clearly see that TCS is facing a rejection from this above trend line and is taking a very good support on the below trend line. It is currently at this below trend line, so taking an entry over here will give us a target of about 5%, and a stop loss will be below this trend line, which is 1.5%, which is a very good risk reward ratio of 1:3. Although I would suggest not to take up intraday trading when you are new to the markets, take up positional trades and see how good profitable you are in the markets. Thank you for watching the video. Do let me know in the comment section if you liked the video. Thank you.